Very good morning to students of standard 6th of English medium. We have just started our chapter, that is chapter number 1 in English, world of colors, and we have seen that colors were just fighting among themselves, and we have just understood about the importance of all the 7 colors. Okay, that violet color, indigo color, then comes the blue color, then comes the green color, yellow color, orange and red. Okay, all were having their own importance that we have seen in this chapter, but they were quarreling, that they were just purifying them. Okay, they were just saying that I am the most important, you are not useful, I am the most important, you are all not useful. But if we see by ourselves, okay, if we think by ourselves, then we can say that all the colors are very important among themselves. Okay, by their own they are having a good characteristics in them, they are having a unique color among themselves. Yes or no? Yes, we can see that. Okay, and we have just discussed about the many things also, that things of a color, that our world is of a colorful and we are just having a colorful life. Yes or no? If because all the things are in a color, that's why we are liking all these things. Okay, so we can say this, our world is colorful, and among this we can also say that colors are very important in our day to day life. Without colors we cannot see one thing in a one color for many days. Yes or no? Yes, but some colors are there which are changing from one color to another. If I take an example of trees, then they are changing their colors of the leaves. Yes or no? Yes, in a winter or a monsoon season you can see the color, the brightness of that green color. Okay, shining color. Okay, they are in a shining color when the monsoon season arrives, when the monsoon season is going on. And in summer season you are seeing that leaves are falling down and they are having a different colors, like brown color, yellow color. Yes or no? Yes, when the leaves are dead they are changing their colors. Yes or no? So we can say that nature is changing the colors. That's why we are lacking the most in nature. See, all the people love to live in a big house and all these things, but without nature they cannot live long time. Okay, so we are growing the trees nearby our homes. Why we are growing the trees? Because we love the nature, because it gives oxygen to us. That's why also, and it also makes our home looks beautiful. That's why we are growing all these things. Okay, so, and if you have seen that Amazon parrot, okay, this nature is having many colors that we cannot make by ourselves also. Yes or no? Yes, because when you see to that Amazon parrot, then Amazon parrot has many colors in it. It is full of color, that parrot. Okay, its name is Amazon parrot, that's why it has many colors. If you go to a Zuckerberg at that time, you can see the Amazon parrot. Okay, so it has many colors in them, that is filled by the nature. Yes or no? So we can just think that without colors how the world will look, and with colors how the world is looking. Yes or no, students? Yes, just imagine and think by yourself. Okay, now we will move to the activity that we are doing in the previous lecture, that was activity number 2. Okay, in activity number 2 there is given in your textbook, one table is given. Ask all your classmates about their favorite colors. Okay, and what colors do your classmate like? Okay, make a chart showing all the colors that classmates like best. Count how many classmates like each color. Okay, now you have to just make you have to write in a table that is given in your textbook. Okay, and you have to just write in first column favorite colors of classmates. Okay, favorite colors of classmate, and second one is the most number of classmates who like each each color. Okay. Number of classmate who like each color. Each color. Okay, so this is the table given in your textbook and you have to fill it. Okay, what they have just asked, favorite colors of your classmate, you have to write the favorite colors of your classmates. Okay, your friends. Okay, which color do your friends or family do like, you have to write in this. Now number of classmates who like each color. Now number of classmates, the classmate who like each color. Okay, if my classmate, 3 classmates are there with me, okay, they like green, red and blue. Okay, then you have to write here number of classmates who like each color. So you have to write the name of the classmate who likes each color. Okay, some of the friends who are liking more green color, some of the friends are liking more red color, some of the friends are liking green color. That colors, that name of the classmate you have to write here. Okay, and beside that they have asked some questions. Okay, according to that, in activity 3, okay, in activity 3 they have asked us some question based on this table. Okay, in activity 2's table. Okay, the first one is, was there any color in the rainbow that no one in your class liked? Which color was that? Now you have to mention, when we were just discussing about the colors, and you have to just discuss about the colors with your friends, and you have to see which color is not liked by your friends which are present in the rainbow colors. Okay, violet, indigo, then comes blue, then green, yellow, orange and red. From 7 colors, which of your classmate, means most of the classmate didn't like which color, that you have to discuss and write. Okay, so was there any color in the rainbow that no one in your class liked? Which color was that? You have to write the name of the color which is not liked by your friends. Okay, I am writing that if I am imagining that my classmates are sitting with me and I am discussing with them, then we will discuss and one of the color will be not liked by everyone. That color was violet. Okay. So first one answer is violet. Okay, that is my opinion. Now you have to write by yourself. Okay. Now which color did the most people like and how many people liked that color? The color that most people liked is the most popular color. Which color did the most people like and how many people liked that color? The which, from the 7 colors, okay, from the 7 colors of rainbow, which color is liked by the most? Okay, हमारा जो ग्रुप होता है उसमें से सबको एक कलर ऐसा होता है कि वो सबको पसंद है, और कितने लोग को वो पसंद है वो हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. सो इन सेकेंड वन यू कैन राइट दैट ग्रीन कलर is most liked by the people. The green color is most liked by the people. And how many people does, if I have a strength, if my class have a strength of 30 students or 25 or 22, then most will be that you can take example. Okay, like 20 people likes the green color most. Okay, now the color that most people like is the most popular color. So we can say this green color is most popular because it is liked by every student or every classmate or every my friend circle like green color most. That's why it is a more important. Okay, it has a most popular among all. Which color did the fewest people like and how many people like that color? अब इसमें हमारे जो फ्रेंड सर्कल और हमारे क्लासमेट्स जो होते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे तो उसको एक कलर बहुत नहीं पसंद होता. पता है कि ये 7 कलर्स में से कोई ऐसे भी हमारे फ्रेंड्स है कि जिसको वो कलर बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं, थोड़ा सा ही पसंद. फ्यूएस्ट पीपल लाइक दैट कलर. ओके, इफ 30 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर देन देयर विल बी 10 स्टूडेंट्स who like one color. Okay, and that color is not liked by other 20 students, but that 10 students only like the color. Okay, that you have to name. So our third questions will be if I give an, you can write by yourself. Okay, here green की जगह आप red भी लिख सकते हैं, violet की जगह blue भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, I am showing the example and you can feel it here in activity 3. Now, which color did the fewest people like and how many people liked? The fewest people liked which color? Then I can say it is blue. Okay, my fewest friends like blue color only. Okay, and how many people liked it? It is liked by 10 people. Okay, sorry, 5 people. My 5 friends liked only blue color. Okay, they were not loving green color, but they were liking blue color. Okay, so the color that fewest people like is the least popular color. So we can say this color is the least, it is least popular, it is less popular. Okay, and this is the most popular green color. Okay, because it is liked by many people, and this is liked by only 5 people or the fewest people, that's why. Okay, is your favorite color one of the most popular color or a less popular color? Now you have to write your favorite color comes in a most popular or a less popular. Okay, that you have to mention. Okay, it is no need to mention that, or you can write by yourself. Okay, now we are moving towards the activity number 4, and that is the story of activity number 1. That we have seen one story in activity number 1, small story about the colors were quarreling among them. Okay, and that story is continued here. Okay, half of the story, its second part is continued here, and that is activity number 4. Okay, activity 4. Activity 4. In that, the quarreling colors part 2. Okay, that is quarreling colors part 2. Part 2. Okay, we have seen part number 1. In that, we have seen that all colors were fighting among themselves, and they have just shown us their importance. Okay, now in second part, one of the new member comes, that is a rain, and it explains to all the colors that don't fight, you all have your own importance. Okay, and it gives the advice to all the colors. Okay, so that we will see in this second part. Okay, I am reading this story and I will explain one by one. Okay, suddenly there was a thunder and lightning, and it began to rain heavily. Okay, when these colors were just quarreling among themselves and they were showing their importance to each other. Okay, I am superior than you, I am the superior than you. At that time, what happened? Suddenly, okay, achanak se there was a thunder and lightning. Thunder means there was a noise of the clouds and all these things, and lightning also started in the sky because it was a monsoon season, that's why. Okay, and it began to rain suddenly. Okay, और तुरंत ये सब होने के थंडर और लाइटनिंग के बाद हम आकाश में देख सकते हैं ना, जो लाइटनिंग होती है इन मॉनसून सीजन, थंडर होता है. ओके, वी आर हियरिंग द साउंड्स ऑफ थंडर एंड लाइटनिंग ऑल्सो. Okay, so after that the rain started to fall. Okay, the seven colors it is named here: violet, indigo, blue. Then violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Okay, and red all heard the angry voice of the rain. Okay, so these all colors heard the angry voice of the rain. Okay, they have just described this rain. अगर हम हमारे घर में हम 3-4 भाई बहन है और 3 या 2 बहन है और हम एक है लड़का एक है, तो वो जब quarrel करते हैं तो हमारा जो बड़े लोग हैं तो हमें वो चिल्लाते हैं. Okay, in a loud voice. Like that also, rain also shouted to all these colors. Okay, rain was angry because all these colors were fighting among themselves. That's why rain was angry. Rain came and it was angry towards all the colors. Okay, you stupid foolish colors, why are you fighting among yourselves? You stupid, you foolish, all of you are foolish, all of you are stupid. Why are you fighting among yourselves? Why are you just quarreling among yourselves? Okay, this was said by the rain to the this rainbow colors. Okay, why are you fighting among yourselves? You are stupid, you are foolish. If you are not, then you should not fight. But you are foolish and you are stupid. That's why you are fighting among yourselves. Okay, don't you know each of you is important? Rain is asking the question to all these colors, that don't you know that you have your own importance? Don't you know that you are different from each others? Then why are you fighting among yourselves? That question was asked by the rain. Okay, rain is just angry on these colors because they were quarreling in them only. Okay, so rain got angry and she just shouted, means it just shouted towards the colors. Okay, you stupid, you are stupid, and you are stupid and foolish, and why are you fighting yourselves among yourselves? That you are having your own importance in a unique way, then also why are you fighting? Okay, you are different from each other. You are having the importance you are having the value that is present in you only. That's why you are unique from other colors. You all have your own importance. Then why are you fighting? Okay, rain was just explaining and shouting and making understand to all the colors by saying these words. The lightning stopped and the thunder quieted. After that, the lightning and the thunder stopped and rain also became cool sometime. Okay, after what happened, the rain said, after the thunder and the lightning stopped, the rain again said, listen to me, each of you has a special purpose. Now rain just became calm and said to all the colors that listen to me, each of you has a special purpose. That also we know, we have seen the special importance of all the 7 colors in first story. Yes or no? So their purpose will be also different from each other. Yes, their importance are also different from each other. So rain is just advising all of them that listen to me, each of you has a special purpose. When I stop the storm, you must all hold hands and help each other. So rain is saying that when I stop my storm, that storm occurs. We have seen that, and before few days only the storm came in our Gujarat. Okay, that was also a storm. Okay, so rain said that when I stop the storm, at that time what you have to do, you 7 colors have to hold your hands and help each other. पता चला क्या कहा रेन ने, कि जब मैं अपना जो स्टॉर्म है वो बंद कर दूं, बाद में आपको क्या करना है कि एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के आपको एक दूसरे की मदद करना है. You will help each other stretch across the sky to make the rainbow. Now what they are saying, when they were just quarreling, at that time the rainbow was not full. Okay, because of the quarrelness among these colors. So rain explained that you will help each other. You have to stretch your hands. First of all, you have to hold the hands of your friends of 7 colors. You have to hold the hands of each other, and after that you have to stretch to complete the rainbow. Okay, this is the work that you have to do with togetherness. Okay, together means a rainbow will be completed at that time only when the all colors will live happily with each other and help with each other. Then only the possibility of the rainbow is formed. Okay, now the rainbow is a special sign. It shows that if we all work together and help each other, even with our differences, we will all shine. So when the rainbow is formed, this rain is explaining that when you form a rainbow, that rainbow has its own importance. It shows that in rainbow there are 7 colors. Okay, and 7 colors has come together to form a rainbow, and all will shine in front of the world. All the colors will shine in front of us. If there will be no colors, or if you were fighting If you are fighting among yourself only, then these people will think that these colors are fighting, they are not having unity in them. So this lesson tell us more about that there should be unity in you. There should be a helping nature in you. You should help your friends, your teachers also, and your colleagues also. You should help your parents also. Then you will look good towards the society. You should help to the society also. Without the helpness or without your helping, you will not look good in the society. So this rain is also explaining to this also. And rainbow is saying that you should, if you are staying together, then I can shine all the colors in a bright way. The color understood their mistakes. Okay, their mistake, the storm ended and the colors happily joined hands. So the colors understood their mistake. We should not quarrel within us only. Okay, and after that the storm stopped and all the colors hold each other hands and made a beautiful rainbow. So from this story we can say that we should help each other. We all students are not same because all have their unique purpose and unique specialize. Okay, some students having the speciality in drawing, some having more importance in running and athletics, some are good in playing football, some are good in writing, their handwriting are very good, some are very knowledgeable, they will read one times and all they will remember. So all the students should gather and should help each other. Okay, if I am knowing to play football very well, then I should help other students to know to how to play the football. I should teach them. Then some others know paintings, then they can teach to other students. So if you will work together, the work will be done in a less time also, and all the students will get all the knowledge from each other. So this was the story of our colors. Okay, the world of colors, and we will conclude this lecture here, and we will move in next lecture. In next lecture we will do the activity which is remaining in your textbooks. Okay students, thank you and have a good day. Okay students, thank you once again, thank you, and just read the lesson we have completed, chapter that we have completed, activity 1 and activity number 4. Okay, the story. You should understand the story and you should take a good message from this story. Okay students, thank you and have a good day.